Welcome back to Hive Tales, your go-to channel for all things honey-related. Today, we're diving deep into the world of DIY honey beauty and skincare treatments. If you've ever wondered how to harness the power of nature for your skin, you're in for a treat. Get ready to glow naturally with our easy and effective honey-based remedies. We all know that honey is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for our skin. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins that can work wonders. Let's get started with our first honey-infused beauty treatment. 1 honey and yogurt face mask. For this simple face mask, all you need is a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of yogurt. Mix them together to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture evenly to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. The honey will moisturize and nourish your skin, while the yogurt will exfoliate and brighten. Rinse it off with warm water and you'll be left with soft, radiant skin. Lavender and honey bath soak. Next up, let's indulge in some self-care with a luxurious lavender and honey bath soak. Simply add a handful of dried lavender flowers and 2 tablespoons of honey to your warm bath water. The soothing scent of lavender will relax your mind, while the honey will leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Honey and lemon lip scrub. Want soft, kissable lips? Try our honey and lemon lip scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and a pinch of sugar. Gently rub the mixture on your lips in circular motions for a minute or 2. It'll exfoliate your lips and leave them moisturized. Wipe off the scrub and voila, you're ready for a luscious pout. 4 honey and floral facial toner. Now let's create a refreshing and fragrant facial toner. Gather some fresh rose petals, chamomile flowers, and a tablespoon of honey. Infuse the petals and flowers in hot water. Let it cool and strain the liquid into a spray bottle. Spritz this natural toner on your face to hydrate and revitalize your skin. It's like a bouquet for your skin. 5 honey hair mask. Don't forget your hair. Honey is fantastic for nourishing and adding shine to your locks. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, starting from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it out with your regular shampoo. You'll be left with silky, manageable hair. 6 honey and oatmeal body scrub. For a full body treat, let's create a honey and oatmeal body scrub. Combine half a cup of honey with 1 cup of finely ground oatmeal and a handful of fresh herbs like mint and lavender. Use this mixture to gently exfoliate your skin in the shower. It will leave your skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and smelling divine. Honey-infused relaxation. After pampering your skin and hair, it's time to unwind with a honey-infused relaxation session. Enjoy a cup of honey-infused herbal tea or a honey-based cocktail while you soak in a warm bath or lounge in a hammock. Let the soothing properties of honey melt your stress away. And there you have it, a day of honey-infused beauty and self-care. Nature's golden elixir can work wonders for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. So the next time you reach for your skincare products, consider reaching for honey instead. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to Hive Tales for more natural beauty and wellness tips. If you have your honey-inspired DIY treatments or questions, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the world of DIY, honey beauty, and skincare treatments. Remember, the key to radiant skin is as sweet as honey. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful.